Yes, Wandayi.
Mr. Speaker, I just want to seek clarification regarding the message you've just read to us. Mr. Speaker, you know, the standing orders allow us that the members of this House can address the Speaker on matters to do with the constitutionality of any business that comes before the House. Mr. Speaker, I've listened keenly to your message, and you referred the House to the Constitution Article 248, yes, that allows the National Security Council, with the approval of the House, to second or deploy members of the security forces outside the country. Mr. Speaker, I am at a loss as to whether the definition of the security forces under that article of the Constitution applies to the National Police Service. Because, Mr. Speaker, I recall the history of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It was actually part of the attempt to reform our national police forces then to be a service. So the Constitution, in the way it is structured, does not actually view the national police service as a force. And therefore, I want to submit, Mr. Speaker, that that message is misdirected. It's misdirected in the sense that we have got no capacity as a House to authorize or purport to authorize the National Police Service, which is not a security force, as contemplated under the Constitution. So I want to plead with you, before the matter is seized of by the committees, that you do reconsider the message and come back with a considered ruling on the matter I am raising, because it is of immense public interest. This House can only act in accordance with the Constitution. This House cannot, at any one moment, any given moment, veer off the constitutional path, Mr. Speaker. So I want to plead with you that in spite of the apparent urgency of this deployment, that you retreat and do a considered judgment or ruling on this matter, because as a House we shall have set a very dangerous precedent if you are to be found in the fullness of time to have acted ultra-vires the Constitution. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Majority Leader, I can dispose of that without your response, but you can go ahead.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, let me thank you for that message. Honorable Speaker, I've listened to what the Honorable Leader of Minority portends.